This is Comet. Hey, hey. I surprised him.
You can do a little point.
Yeah. Hey, hey. Get that bird. What's Dad doing out there? Huh? He's got his tuft. Look, he's got his hair all tufted up.
Because he's not sure what's going on.
Yeah, he's all tufted up.
There you go. Let's do the.
Alright. Up. Ready? Hey. 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 Hey.
I can't do that.
Yeah.
There's a shot.
Hey. He's still kind of unsure. He's got his hair all tufted up.
Okay, just take it from me real quick so you don't get feathers in his mouth. Now, let's do one far enough I can shoot too. Get him going.
Hey. He's pointing.
Yeah.
What is the man doing over there?
He's a good dodge pointer. That's what he's doing.
Look at this.
He's creeping on point when he's going in there.
He is.
Alright, one more.
I love that little hair being all up.
Good job.
Here, man.
Just throw it to your left.
Hey. Get that birdie.
What I said was I have 2 more shouts. If you want to refilm the girl,
Oh, okay.
you can call it. I'll call it. Oh boy!
Here,
Come on,
here.
get your bird. Hey, come on, boy. Hey. Come on. Hey. Come on, get your bird. Let's go. Here. Come on. Come on, here. He's just going to eat feathers here.